Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun where we're going to be looking at this. Now this is an IDV Boblov L02 body cam. Now I've not looked at a body cam before, so this will be my first one. So essentially we're going to do an unboxing, test the features, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video. So let's get in the box and see what we've got and we'll go from there. So the first thing out the box is this nice little cleaning cloth, and this is to clean the lens and that of the body cam, which is quite good that they give you this little cleaning cloth. Next is this little manual, and as you can see it's in one language which looks like Chinese, but there is an English bit in it at the back, so you do get some English language stuff on this manual. But this will cover how to operate the unit, how to set it up, and how to change the different settings. So they do give you a basic manual in the box. Next is a USB-C cable, and it's good that they include this, and it's good that it uses the newer format USB-C instead of say micro, so it's good that they're actually changing things over. So that's also included in the box. Comes with this Allen key, and this is obviously for attaching the back plate to the body cam, because you can put different plates on the back of it. One of the different plates that goes on the back of the body cam, and this one's a clip one. As you can see, you can open it and it's got some other attachment parts to it. And finally we've got the body cam itself, and as you can see it's pretty small. Now when I got that other back plate I showed you earlier, that goes to here, and basically this allows you to put this one, which is a clip one, which I showed you a minute ago, or this one which is just basically a slidey one. And this would go in your pocket or your belt, where this one you could clip on other things, which is kind of handy. Now going around the body cam itself, you've got your charging port, you've got a micro SD slot, you've got a photo button. On this side you've got your power and video button, you've got your motion detection button, and you've got an IR button for switching on for night vision. And that's pretty much everything on this camera. There's no screen and there's no other real features other than that on it. So next, let's go capture some video footage and also some photos so you can have a look at the quality of that, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of this video of what I think this body cam is like. Well, there you go. There's my quick look and unboxing of this Boblov body cam, and overall I can't recommend this. The quality of the unit is fairly decent, but unfortunately the video and audio is terrible. Now I did try a couple of different mounting options. I tried this clip mechanism that they give you over the normal sort of one that you just put in your belt, and I still couldn't get the image to be really quite stable. I found it quite horrendous actually, and at night it seems to perform even worse than during the day. The audio, which I spared you in that clip, is pretty much non-existent. So I can't really recommend this as a decent body cam. The price is good and the form factor is great, but the image quality is not there. So I'm going to make this my mission to keep looking for a decent body cam, and I will review one eventually that I feel I can recommend people. But this one I definitely wouldn't recommend getting, and I'm certainly disappointed in what I've got here. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.